Hello students, welcome all of you. So in previous session, we took the different commands of the network troubleshooting using ping, reset, IP configuration, NS lookup commands. Okay, so our today's session on how to configure the computer on the network. Okay, so in this topic, I have one video. So let us start. So today's session, okay. So how to configure the computer on the network. Okay, so basically, to configure the network, we have to require the different devices. Okay, suppose router is there. Okay, switch is there, hub is there, and most important is nothing but wires. Okay, so let us learn the today's topic, how to configure the computers on the LAN network. Okay, so here in this topic we have the different concepts. Okay, so here in the networking concept, we have, suppose we have to connect the computers, different computers. Okay, so here in conceptually we have the 5 computers are there. Okay, suppose I want to connect the 5 computers into the network. So which device is required? Suppose we have required hub or switch. Okay, so place switch into the LAN network. Okay, so what is the use of switch? To connect the computers. Okay, to connect the computers to the LAN network. Okay, so in computer, the RJ45 LAN Ethernet port is there. Okay, so but the basic requirement for the RJ45 connectors, okay, plug into computers to the switch. Okay, so we require the wire. It is nothing but twisted pair cable, shielded twisted pair cable, or unshielded twisted pair cable. Here we use the unshielded twisted paired cable. Okay, so the type is cat 5 or cat 6. As per your requirement, you should choose the different cat wires. Okay, so the difference between these categories of these LAN wires is nothing but from cat 1 to up to cat 7. Okay, so basically the cat 1 wire is used for your voice grade signal. It should capable to send only the voice signal. So after that, the cat second wire speed is 4 Mbps. After that, cat third wire speed is 16 Mbps. Cat 4 wire speed is 100 Mbps. Cat 5 wire speed is 1000 Mbps. Cat 5e wire speed is 1000 Mbps. Again, cat 6 wire is 1000 Mbps. Again, cat 7 wire is 1000 Mbps. These are the categories and speed difference between these wire types. Okay, so after that we have the one specified wire, either select cat 5 and cat 5e. Okay, or cat 6 as per your requirement. Okay, so after that we have the cabling types. Okay, so there are different types of cabling type is there: straight through cable, cross cable, okay, and roller cable. These types of cable we have to we have to make while connection of PC to PC, PC to switch, or PC to router. Okay, so let us learn the different color codes while making the wires, either straight through cable, cross cable, or roller cable. Okay, so in our example, we have the hub and switch. Okay, and two PCs are there. Here the color coding is like this. Okay, so white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, blue, white, then green, white, brown, and brown. Okay, so this is nothing but the cross or wiring. Okay, so after that, the different wires are there. Okay, while we connecting the connection. Okay, so this is the standard connection. Okay, which is more specifically we use in our computer labs. Okay, so one switch is there. Okay, and different so PCs are there. Okay, so in our computer lab, the 24 port switch is there. Okay, and we have to connect 23 computers to the uh, using the Cat5 cable. Okay, so when we cream the two ends of our wire, this is the straight through cable 10 base 100 base TX. Okay, using RJ45 connectors. This is the color code of your cable when you use the PC or switch. Means when we use the straight through cable, when two different devices we have to connect, then use the straight through cable. Okay, so each and every color code is different. Here in our scenario, we use the PC. Okay, 5 PCs and one switch. Here in this scenario, we use the straight through cable. Okay, so this is the color code of our straight through cable. Okay, so after that, one more cable is remaining, roller cable. Okay, so what is the use of that roller cable? Okay, so roller cable is mainly used for PC to router connection, directly from router to PC connection. This concept is different. Okay, so we will see later how to make that roller cable and its color coding. Okay, so after that, we have the straight through cable. Okay, so we cream that straight through cable. We have the switch and we have the 5 computers. Okay, so after that, we simply plug the RJ45 connectors. Okay, from switch to computer. Okay, one we already process in diagram. First PC is already connected. After that, second PC is also connected. Okay, so after that, we have to connect the third PC also. Okay, so likewise, we have to complete all wiring from switch to the 5 computers. Okay, here we use the straight through color coding schema. Okay, so after that, we have to use the IP addresses, specific IP addresses. In previous session, we learned about the IP addresses, how to set the IP addresses. Okay, so here in this session also, I will show you how to configure each and every computer IP addresses. Okay, in same subnet mask. Okay, so let us do one practical. I will set on my laptop one IP address. Okay, so here I will use one IP address to my computer. Okay, so here one command also there. Okay, so let us try that command. Okay, okay, so this is my desktop. Just command, just put the command ncpa.cpl. Okay, so when you press in keyboard Windows and R key, okay, simultaneously you press Windows and R key, one run window will be appear. Okay, so in that run window you just put ncpa.cpl command. Okay, so when you put that ncpa.cpl command and when you press the enter, one window will be appear. Okay, so different connections are there: Bluetooth network connection, Ethernet. Here in our scenario we use the Ethernet. Okay, just click on Ethernet and search the option Internet Protocol IPv4. Just click on IPv4. Okay, so here our router is working as a DHCP. Here we configure the IP address as a static. Okay, so here choose the second option, use the following IP address. Just put an IP address. Here in our scenario we put IP address 192.168.1.1. Okay, so after that the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, so after that close. Okay, so gateway is required for configuration. Then how to check the IP configuration? Okay, so these commands you already known. Okay, so one command is there, IP config. Okay, so put an IP config and check if your IP address is got or not received. Okay, so here IPv4 address is visible. Okay, second command is IP config /all. Okay, so again all configurations are there. Okay, so DHCP, all LAN and WAN network, your computer description, your Ethernet port, either it is static or DHCP. Okay, so understood all of you? Okay, so here likewise we have to configure the connection. Okay, so one more concept is there. Okay, so to check the computer connectivity, so again that how to check your computer is connected over the network or not. Okay, so after that how to check the computer connectivity, again window plus key. Again we have already learned the ping command. Okay, so here we will use the 192.168.1.1 command. Okay, just click on enter. Okay, so reply from different computers, right? Understood all of you how to check your computer is fetching the packet through. Okay, so here in our scenario, suppose our computer is 192.168.1.1. Okay, so this computer is connected through straight through cable to the switch. Again second computer IP address is 192.168.1.1. Okay, so simply we can send one message from this computer to this computer, because all these computers are in same subnet mask and IP addresses. Okay, so here 1.1 is there, here 1.2 is there, here 1.3 is there, here 1.4 is there, and here 1.5 is there. Okay, understood all of you? So this is the simple architecture of your how to configure your network, how to put your IP addresses, how to save the subnet mask to the computer, and which commands are used for to configure, okay, the computers. Okay, so understood all of you? Okay, so the next topic is nothing but our network topologies. Okay, so we will stop here and hope you all students are understand to how to configure the computer network in a LAN.